Welcome back with a new Java learning series. Actually, the last time I messed up with different kind of videos, React videos, Java videos, and some other out of scope items. So today, what we are going back to the Java programming world. So we will do something. We will we will search some advanced programming coding questions and we try to implement that. So when I am talking about the advanced programming questions, I guess right now also the people will go to the stream, Java streams, even though it's after Java 8. We right now we are in Java 17 or something, but still we have some scope for Java stream. So I will write down some programming in Java stream, and then we can move to some advanced topics like libraries. We will go through the Spring documentation or something like that. But right now we can write down some basic programming questions. So here what I am going to do. So I need to have some I need to have some yeah comments at what I am going to do here. So what I am going to do here is like we will we will implement map and also flatMap. I guess flatMap map I already created a video in map probably, but flatMap probably I'm not done anything. So here I'm trying to comment out these things, but it's not working here. So I guess command is not working or something else. Okay, yeah, it's working. So the keys are different in Mac and Windows. That make me crazy. Okay, so map and flat map. That is our topic. We need to define map first. Then we will write down a program in map. We already did some programs in map, but still to show what is the difference between map and flat map, we can do it again. So map means transform each elements of a stream. So stream come into picture when we are using a list, probably list of any type. So here my example list. I will do some other course, not right now, or videos regarding regarding Java coding standard, some basic coding standards that we can follow, not advanced. We will just discuss about the basic things. So right now, control enter. Not that one. The keys are different, so that make me more crazy. So here I have a list. Welcome back. That's one string. And hello world, maybe the second string. What we are gonna do here? for a stream to show something, and we are collecting into something. So here I will do some identical things because I need to show how map works. So with these two elements I can show that, but still if I need to show something I need to have something more. Okay, so these are the lists, and probably I will add another one also. So I have, and I will take this one. The remaining things will be very easy. Then the map is like after passing, usually you will have a filter or something. So filter, I will filter out something from the map, from this list. Maybe I will filter something like str contains hello. So I will have only two items in the n list, collect, or after filter. Okay, oh, we have some issues here. So this is okay. I need to, oh, filter and map. Okay, map, we are doing some work. Filter, we are only filtering out. So map, I need to have concat. This is a better option. So I am concatenating to something else. Some, yeah, some additional things here. And then collecting to collectors list. Collectors, you can have collectors to joining and other things. There are so many advanced stuff. So I'm not going to discuss that. So what I'm going to do here, I don't know whether I can show in the same list here. Will not complain. So going to do this, and then I will have a private static or public static print list. So this is the thing that I am going to do, and I will do here. I should have a list of items. So list of string, then str list. Then for each list I need to print, oh, I need to print for each. Str, because we have so many short, yeah, we have so many short keys that we can use here. But right now, void is not a functional interface. Okay, what is it? Okay, void is not a function interface. Okay, I guess there are so many easy ways to write down these things, but I'm not remembering most of that stuff right now. Probably I need to research something. Okay, that's fine. So I need to print everything. That's done. I will print into each line. So here print list. My example list, probably you can print each time. If I need to print each time, before and after some work is done, I need to print the same thing. Okay, so here I can add something like before map, and I will copy the same thing into here after map, and we will do the flat map after this. Okay, so right now try to run this until I have some other issues in somewhere else in other classes. These things will be fine. It will run. Okay, so after map, welcome back. Hello, hello, hello. So it's just so since we are already familiar with these things, map, this is nothing. So right now what we can do is can have a flat map. Flat map means so I have one thing here. I'm replacing with the flat map. So what I'm doing here, I have a sentence like this, and sentence I will split based on the space. So array stream sentence split, and this will collect into an array. And if I just run this, probably I will make distinct also here. So what's gonna happen after flatmap? Probably we can have something like this. Then we can okay. So right now we are run again. After a flat map, I got welcome back, hello world. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 items, and I split everything with this one. And if I am just commenting out this one, what's gonna happen? Just try that also. So here what is gonna happen? This understandable. So here welcome back hello, this was one simple string, so I am splitting that one into another list. So the definition is correct. When each elements of a stream needs to be mapped to a multiple elements or another stream. So to be mapped to multiple elements or another stream, it flattens the resulting stream into a single stream. So in this case, I took one element, I split into one, I split into three in this case, and I am putting that three into the same stream. So we are mapping that into a single stream. That's why it's happening. So the other thing that mentioned here, I will write down that description here. FlatMap is used when an element of stream need to be mapped to multiple elements or another stream. Probably there will be some more uh, more examples for this one. If you search like FlatMap advanced example or something, you will find something, because let me search something, but I'm not going to run that again. So there are a couple of things. So I have a person class and a pet class. So person, I have a array list of pets. I will just give an example, but I am not going to write down that examples. This is the scenario. So you have a person class with a name and list of pets. So in that one, what I have a stream of pets, and I will have a pet get name also. So in that case, what's gonna happen is person gets pets. Pets also has some names. So person gets, okay, I will add that also here. Then we'll get a more understanding. So here what happened. So this is actually a person class. Person has name and a list of, and pets also has name. So here flatMap, what we are doing is like take the pets and stream that. Then from that one I am taking the name. So here when we are reaching here, so what exactly happening is like in this way, in the, in the beginning of this one we have the person object, and I am using a stream, and in the next line it's going to pets. So it's taking the list of pets from the person, so it's very easy. It's making into one thing, all the pets into one places. That's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.